Today I am giving you a tour of 2150 West Alameda Road, Unit 1335 in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhome is located in Villagio, a Happy Valley. The open concept floor plan features generously sized rooms and offers perfect spaces for cooking and entertaining. This was a former model unit and has been meticulously maintained with lots of upgrades. Other features of this townhome include a 2-car garage, a washer and dryer, and plenty of outdoor patio space with breathtaking views of the community pool. You will love all that the community has to offer, including a gated entry, a glowing pool with spa, multiple grills for outdoor entertaining, and so much more. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The third level of the home features a full bathroom with a tub shower combo, as well as a laundry with a stacked washer and dryer. And as you can see, there are ceiling fans installed to keep you cool and comfy year-round. The bedrooms also come with ample closet space to fit all your belongings. This home won't last long. Inquire today.